Welcome, Hotwheelers. It is part 2 of my quest to be a champion at Hot Car Tracks Road Warriors, so season 2. So today I will be opening the Lancer, and I've already been testing on drilling. You have to practice before you really go and do your main vehicle, because if you don't know what you're doing and you drill too deep, then you damage the base. So yeah, so I've used a 1/16 drill is the pilot drill, and then a 3/16 for drilling away the dowel. I call it a dowel that just sits just in the recess here. So this is a metal machines car, which is one of the easiest ones to practice on because the dowels are plastic and real easy to once drilled, you can just you need a screwdriver to wriggle around on the inside and to get it open. There we go. And you can see the metal machine cars, if you guys don't know, you can actually really good for wheel farming. The wheels just come out. They're just laying there. So yeah, it's a real good car to use and get some wheels. So anyway, I've drilled the Lancer, so I'll get this one away as well. So I've drilled the Lancer now. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and just need to jiggle a little bit and the wheels should just pop off. There we go. There's the base, the interior, and the body with the glass still intact. So yeah, so the next stage which I'm going to do is sanding of the wheels, because the wheels, normally when you buy them, not many people look and check, but if you look at the wheels, they have little pop marks on them from when they've been molded, and that prevents your car from really rolling smoothly on the track. So any little obstacle preventing the wheel from rolling, you need to get rid of it. So I use 3 different grades of sandpaper. I start with the roughest, which is I start with a P400, then I go down to a P800, and then finally, which is a really fine sandpaper grit, which is a P1200. So all I do really is just gently keep on going round and round and round and round the wheels, right round, go to the next sandpaper and do it. So do all 4 wheels, make sure you do all 4 wheels. Once that's done, you can go and have a good look at it and see it runs really smooth. Wheels are, for me, these wheels are pretty good. I'm quite happy with them. They're not the best. I've got lots and lots of cars, and I found that this one here, I don't have to do any wheel changes. I was speaking to Paul Boy Racing, and he told me about getting an axle jig. So I managed to get one, managed to print out one. Went to the local library, managed to find a print on, I think the website's called Thingiverse, and yeah, so you can easily put your car on the axle jig if you are doing a wheel swap, and your good car wheels are set, and you can, if you've got good wheels, you can glue them in place. I may do another video on that. I may do another car in future. Yeah, so far, so that's where I'm at. So I've got the wheels off, I've sanded the wheels. I'm not going to change the axles or the wheels. They're going to be the standard that they come with, because these Mitsubishis are pretty fast. You got the interior. Yeah, so the interior's got some supports for the wheels, as you can see just there. Those sit just over the axles on on the wheels on both sides, on the back and the front. I did do a test run without this in, and it was terrible. The car went absolutely slow. I will do a short video on that just to demonstrate how it runs without this inside. Its performance is really bad, so you definitely need to do this. You could, option 1 is to cut this section out and cut this back section out and glue it into place, or you could maybe cut the seats out, cut the steering wheel out, and then I'm going to be using weights like this. Excuse that, yeah, the camera just fell down. So anyway, back to it. I'm going to be using these lead fishing weights. They are called split shots. They're used for trout fishing or coarse fishing. I'm an avid fisherman, so I do a lot of fishing. Yeah, so I've got quite a few different sizes. Could use these, or you could use something like this. I went down to my local tire shop and got some lead as well. So you could, if you got an angle grinder, grind off that part there, and then you could probably maybe hammer it down, because lead is quite soft. Hammer it down flat and cut it to shape to sit inside the chassis of the car. So yeah, so I'm going to be using, for my car, I'm going to be using split shots. I think I've already weighed with these here, come up to 60 grams with the car assembled, and I'm going to definitely add much more than this. I'm going to hammer these flat. I'll do a video. I still need to source maybe some flat bar that I can use to hammer these on to get them nice and flat, and I'll show you how I'm going to install them in another video coming up, and then we'll do a test run. Yeah, so that is where we're at the moment. So yeah, so we'll I'll go and do a short video quickly of the Mitsubishi running down the track, just without the interior, just with that in place, just like that there. You can see already, actually you can't even roll. Look at that. I may not even have to take it down to the track. Look at that. Some filings. You can hear it's not moving at all, but if I put this back in, the ones that support the wheels, have a look at that. Just smooth, very easy. So yeah, maybe that probably will be enough to show you guys. But yeah, this Mitsubishi is a beauty. I really like it, and yeah, hopefully it does well. Well, only time will tell, and depending, I'm sure, you know, the competition will be really stiff on hardcore tracks. So yeah, we'll see. So on to the next video. The next video will be testing the car weighted, and also probably will be showing where I put the weights in and how I get the weights when I'll get them hammered and stuff and things like that. So yeah, so till next time, guys. You know, if you like my video, please give us a thumbs up, as I always ask, or if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. So yeah, so till next time, keep on Hot Wheeling, and bye for now.